Good morning, brothers and sisters. This right here is a nitrogen dioxide 2 poisonous level alert, and I've got something for you to listen to.
The Supreme Court of India has announced the closure of the capital, New Delhi. This is caused by a health emergency, but it's not about COVID-19. It's about air pollution.
You hear that? New Delhi. Air pollution. All of this. England, you're doing alright for a minute. You're on the low side of it. You're probably around 17. Let's actually put you right over here in England. Oh. 7.86. Yeah. So, it's still pretty high, but it's not like these guys. I mean, look at this. Holy cow, what is this over here? Oh, that's not good. So, yeah. US. Yep, Los Angeles, California. Wondering what nitrous oxide is? Nitrous dioxide. It's a chemical compound with the formula NO2, several nitrogen oxides, intermediate production of fertilizers, millions of tons of it. Can be fatal if inhaled in large quantities. Reddish brown gas. Yeah. Do what? Forms when fossil fuels such as coal, oil, gas, or diesel are burned at high temperatures. Well, we don't really have a whole lot of that. But, you think it's in the chemtrails that they keep crop dusting us with? I think so. So, yeah. And then today our PM 2.5 levels have actually come down, but they're still pretty high, especially around New Delhi. So that's not good. I mean, here you're right. Isn't that kind of funny? Right here where we had the NOS, or NO2, excuse me, NOS. It's 32, but it's also high over here. So where all your high points are for one, you're going to have high points of the other. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's not good. Yeah, folks, they're poisoning us. This is not good. All right, here we are at the Italian model for Schumann. This is our very low frequency electromagnetic field. And as you can see, there's stuff going on in the atmosphere, but it's not quite hitting the ground. And it's red along the ground, trying to reach up, but look at how they've compressed the lines here. And it's darker, just like they did the other day. And then it changes color here. Did we get hit with some kind of a beam of light over in Italy? What is that? And what is this? Almost makes you wonder, doesn't it? What are those? I don't know. You tell me. And then our actual Schumann, you can see that we've got a little bit of activity going on. Nothing major so far. I checked the Russian model and it's indicating low. So let's see if we can find some other good juicy stuff for the day. As I've suspected, as of today, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7, maybe even 8. I'm thinking 9 and 10. Let's go to the next frame. Oh, yep, there's definitely something here. Oh yeah. What is going on at the sun, folks? Look at all these. Look at all these. Holy smokes. That's still there. Wow. Is our sun giving birth? I mean, look, they actually stay still for a minute in the blast. See that? They actually don't move for a little bit. They're like, no, we're going to resist moving. And then they start moving again. That's insanity right there, folks. Look at that, and there's another one coming out. Now watch the left side. I think we have another one that comes out the left side. Ooh, you see them right here? Yeah, they're resisting. That's very interesting. So, we've also got to keep in mind that I'll have to go back over yesterday's and take a look at that. But doesn't a star give birth to its planets? Okay, there's another one right there. I don't know. I think I read that somewhere. I mean, growing pains, birthing pains? Is that biblically tied? I don't know. It would make sense to me. Whoa! What is this? What is this? Are they shooting some form of ray gun or laser at somebody? Or is that a warp signature trail from other beings, entities, if you will? Well, I have a feeling that's a warp signature trail myself, but that's just me. Look at that, it appears back up, so it's almost like light and dark, yin and yang. That's interesting that it shows back up again, but it's black, and it does that regularly. Has anybody else noticed that? Woo, how are you doing, buddy? Look at that. Oh yeah. Fantastiquimo. I'm gonna save this one. I actually saved a couple other ones, but I didn't even see that one earlier. Wonderful. And I'll do some contrast with them and see what I can't find out. See if I can't brighten it up for everybody a little bit. Yeah, this is fun. Of course, there's friends all over the place in this thing. Uh-oh, and that's our last one. It light bended this one, but it hasn't showed up on here yet. We'll see. So now we're over here at stereo ahead, and you can clearly see something large and round right here. And right here. And this is very, very interesting. Because as it's pushing off, uh-oh. What in the world is that? That looks like an eye, doesn't it? Whoa, that's weird. Yep, and then you got another one right here. I'll have to do these screenshots on a few of those. But one of the other. What in the world? Did you guys see that? It almost like it went backwards, or stood still, and then bam, we got hit again. What in the blue blazes? This is some craziness, folks. But one of the things that I did notice, okay, this is the end of this. Watch this. Over here, stereo ahead. Look at this. The 18th and the 19th are missing. They've just completely taken them out. Why would they do that? And then, of course, we go over here to Let's Go C3, and we don't get disappointed. There's a lot of activity going on. I want to bring something to everybody's attention. Do you see how big and round this thing is right here? Holy crap. That's all I gotta say. What happened there? Whoa. That's pretty big. I don't care who you are. But anyway, so we come over here right around one. Look at that. Boom. Is something going into the sun or coming out of the sun? Or something shooting the sun? I don't know. Whoa. Warp signature trail. Right in front of the satellite. How you doing? And there are friends everywhere. Folks, it's literally frickin' Star Wars going on out there. I mean, look at all the movement and the activity going on. And this is not all space dust, by the way. There's a lot of craft that's up there. Some of them get close, some of them don't. But I mean, look at all of this. What is happening here? I mean, here's a guy right here. Whoop. There he is. A little bit later, oh, there's another one right there. Oh, there's another one right here. I think that's my little bird guy. There you go. Yep, he's coming at us. Well, actually, that could be the triangle going away from us, maybe. Maybe that's his little trail, his little fla la 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 la. It could be. What movie was that from? Big Hero 6 or something like that? I think that's what it was. Oh well. It matches. Oh look, there's another one. And another one. They're everywhere. Star Wars. What's going on? Oh look, there he is again. They're everywhere. It's going down up in space, folks. They are ramping up. They are ramping up. It's happening all over. It's like, what blazes? What was, uh-oh. Borg cube. But look at this. You go from 1254 to 1350. Notice how none of this changes. Just this line. Notice that? See? Nothing changes between there and there. Nothing whatsoever except for that light bender of hiding. Time missing. Fun stuff. Alright, I want to bring everybody's attention to something here, okay? This is from yesterday, and we're going to bring it into today. I want everybody to watch over here, because all of a sudden, you see how this is kind of squared? All of a sudden, a round object appears and then starts getting pushed off. Watch this. Oh, there it is. Did you see it? It just came into view. It's like, it's right here. Watch. See it now? You see it? It's right here. And it's getting pushed off. Look at that. I'm hoping you guys can see this. It's right here. It's perfectly round and it's getting pushed off. Whoa. Look at that beaut. Oh. I did not see that yesterday. Well, I don't know if I did it far enough into the day, but goodness gracious. Oh, that's exciting. Then we come over here to Ace Mag and Sweepham. You can see that we have a lot of pressure going on here. I mean, this is just all over the place. We've got some kind of an event mode going on. Speed, that's within range. That's decent. Temperature isn't too bad above average. But look over here at our Anunnaki God Enlil. Dick. But he's telling us that everything is nice and low and slow, no problem, no density of plasma, not hitting the Earth, not hitting stereo A or B. Everything is nice and calm. Winds are between 400 and maybe 600, so that's within range. Everything's good, right? Well, then why does the European Space Agency show something totally different? Look at this. We're getting popped here. 32 centimeters cubed. That was on the 18th, and now this is where we're at. But then we get about 35 centimeters cubed on the 20th, which would be today, at 20 UTC time to 22. Actually, I'd say about 02, about 2 o'clock in the morning UTC time on the 21st, and then she spikes back down. Well, how come we don't show that on the NASA model? And over here at the Space Weather Prediction Center, we are here at the University of Michigan Geospace Model from all the information and data, and we do have a lot of density going on here. Look at this. We got a lot of pressure, and behind us, what is going on? Look at that. Looks like the Earth just took a crap. Bye-bye. Well, sorry, but it does. But that's a lot of pressure, especially if we're not supposed to be having anything according to NASA. Stay safe, stay vigilant, folks. Don't forget to join me on Esoteric Nights of Malta with doing a roundtable. We're going to be doing that tomorrow afternoon, I believe, around noonish. I'll keep you updated.